Hey guys, Jane here from ReWild. Just want to give you a shout out and say huge thank you to everybody who donated to the cattle drive. It's been magnificent to be able to help these animals. We have, thanks to you, been able to purchase 53 bales of oat grass. Believe it or not, we've been feeding cows for 10 days already, and we have enough grass left for another day. As far as the rain goes, we had a little bit of rain last week, just 6 mils, and it did pool in a few little spots and bring a flush of green, but there's been no follow up since then, and the rest of the veld is still dry and barren. We were forecast for rain last night, it didn't happen. We are forecast again for rain tomorrow, a little bit, so we're hoping that'll happen. Better chance of rain on Wednesday. And yeah, so if you can say a little prayer for rain for us, that would be awesome. Or do a rain dance, whatever works best for you. Do both, that's also great. Um, but right now, the cows are still struggling. There's still nothing to eat out there. Like I said, we only have 1 day's worth of grass left for them. If you missed the cattle drive on the first round and would like to donate, I know the cows would be hugely grateful. If you did donate, thank you very much. And if you would like to give a little bit more, I know the cows would really appreciate it. A strange thing that the cows do, or a few of them have, is they'd eat a bit of grass and then they come up and they want to sniff you. And I've caught it twice on camera, and I'll show you here. I think it's a cow thank you. So I would like to extend the thank you from the cows to you, because it's thanks to you that they've been able to eat. And I do believe many of them would not be alive now if it weren't for you. So thank you very much, people. I'm just going to show you some video now of how we feed the cows. We're feeding the skinny cows that walk past our property, but we're also going out every day in the truck with grass on the back, looking for the skinny cows so that we can give them a hand. And that's all thanks to you. So please enjoy. This is the good work you're doing. Hello, Moose. Hello. Come for breakfast. Oh dear, here comes Ratty Cow. Hello, everybody. Good morning, Moo. Good morning, my little Moo. Hello, Moose. Good morning, Moo. You're late, love. Come, everyone's here already. Come, quick. Come, quick. Hello, my puppet. Hello, Moo. Hello. Alrighty, so this is the cattle drive. We've been doing this every morning. Gogo's doing the driving. This is Fawns. Gogo is actually her nickname. It's an African name for grandmother, and means sort of, it's a respectful name for the elderly ladies. As you can see, the bush is still very dry, although there is some little bit of green coming up. We drive down the road and we look for skinny cows. Okay, so we found some. And these little guys, shame. You can see some leaking pipes at least provide water. And there is some greenery starting to come in the valleys, or the gullies. So yeah, but the cows are still battling. They're still very thin. Hey Moose, you're still very thin. But hopefully some rain next week will help these guys. Right, safe to drive. Look at this newborn calf just there. Oh, he's tiny. Hello, Baba. Hello. Come to feed your mummy. See, so she can feed you. Hello, Moose.
You might have to stop on the way back and put more down.
Yeah. They really are struggling, hey?
It's so nice to be able to give them a little.
Yeah.
On the way back, those far ones will come in.
Yeah.
So I think we can put more down on the way back.
Yeah. Look, she's just realized. Is that food, Puppet?